Everybody, so I went out hunting today and I found a good pile of things. I got a lot of pewter, real thick heavy pieces. I'm pretty sure they're pure pewter. I know some of them are, and that one I'm not sure about, but I'm pretty sure it's not aluminum. A lot of silver plate silverware, another sterling silver candlestick holder. It's weighted, so there's clay inside it, but the sheet metal is still sterling, and for $2 that's a screaming deal. A really sweet Royal Aristocrat typewriter, candlesticks, etc. Another solid pewter one. Pyrex coffee maker, unfortunately without the little grounds basket, but I got the perk tube in it, so that's cool. Gillette razor. This clamshell someone cast out of brass, kind of neat. Some old vintage postage stamps. It's really cool. I think it's an RPM gauge from like 1873. Neat pattern there. Yep, that was today's finds.